Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. Today we are shipping out this beautiful 14-foot trailer down to Bozeman, Montana. This one is going to make bagel sandwiches and coffee. As you can see, they are big skiing enthusiasts, and this would be parked well close to a ski hill in Bozeman. Let's see its many features. Of course, outside you can see there are LED lights, beautiful wrap on it, of course, and double axle trailer, heavy duty as always. All our trailers are seamless. That means there are no rivets or screws all around it. And then there is the LP tanks are right up front in this cage. You can see the propane goes under the floor of the trailer. That is to prevent any leak in the propane system in the future. Let's say 20 years from now, if something's going to leak, all the T's and unions are under the floor of the trailer. Propane tanks themselves, twin 40-pounders, they are in this ventilated box. Idea is that propane, if it's ever going to leak, it leaks and it escapes, does not pull inside the box. That's how you would fill the water, and that's how you would drain the water. This is a diesel tank. It was a customer request. They asked us to install a diesel tank and a diesel heater, Bozeman being cold as is, and they operating this thing in the winter when, of course, people are going skiing. Shore power connection. That's the generator box, as always. Generator is, of course, on these tracks that you can pull it out and access. When it is not in use, safely stored away and locked. The locks are, of course, interchangeable with that of the service window. Hood fan, that is, goes with a grease catch pan, so grease doesn't run down the side of this beautiful trailer. The rear is barn door. Now let's go see inside. Check out this beautiful wrap on this one. Before that, here is how you would open the service window, self-closing as always, to pass Bozeman code. Inside, hand wash sink with splash guards, 3-compartment sink, soap and towel dispensers, and a little refrigerator to keep drinks in. That's the fire suppression bottle. You can see it's tagged, of course. Everything is per NFPA code. To pass code, there is K series fire extinguisher, ABC fire extinguisher as well. Here is where the diesel heater rests. This is the controller for the diesel heater. This is the air intake for it. And that's how the hot air would come. There's a little battery as well to start the diesel heater. That little thing is what I'm talking about. Water heater, 8-gallon. 50-gallon freshwater tank and 65-gallon grey water tank. Because this one has cold weather prep wrapped in insulation. Generator box, which is, as you know, in our case it works like a table. There are trims, of course, between every panels. As you can see, idea is that no grease gets inside to create that rancid smell that you might have experienced in food trailers. Low profile hood. Under the hood is a little bagel toaster, Conveyor toaster, and a griddle. This is a 48-inch griddle. All equipment are, of course, bolted down to the tables and then to the floor with washers. This is so it doesn't shake loose over time. This one only has one drop because The only grease producing equipment in this trailer is the griddle itself, which is 48 inches. They also requested a little table here, a little shelf, sorry. Guess the plan is to mount something else. I'm not exactly sure what it is. At least I can't remember. This is a 36-inch sandwich prep, standard top, and the self-closing window. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. Cooking wall is stainless steel. The rest are FRP. LED lights that don't cast a shadow. All our wiring is always inside these conduits. This is because food trailers are mobile equipment by definition, and if the wiring was inside the walls would flex over time and it would cause electrical short circuits. This of course prevents that. Little things that keep things nice and tidy. You can see how we have secured our wiring through grommets. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful little Bagel trailer, which we are shipping off to Bozeman, Montana. If you have any questions, or if you would like a truck or trailer like this, do contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.